You know, there are a few things in life more frustrating than finding that somebody has left the cap off your marker pen and the ink has dried out. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. The good news is that's not going to happen with the new range of tough permanent markers from Pilot Pen. These quality Japanese-made markers use a newly developed controlled surface properties ink, and the tip is guaranteed not to dry out, even if the cap is left off for up to 24 hours. There are two types of pen, the SCA100 with a 1mm fine tip and the SCA400 with a 4mm broad tip, both available with vibrant black, blue, red or green ink. And they're equally at home in the office, their warehouse and on the factory floor, with the true multi-surface marking abilities including glass, metals and plastics. Find out more, including where to buy the pens, at pilotpen.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.